Krisp output not working? Yeah, that's super frustrating, especially when you can't hear anything during a call. But don't worry, in this video, I'll show you how to fix it step by step. All right, first, open your app settings and make sure Krisp is selected as your speaker or output device. I mean, if it's not selected, you won't hear anything at all. Next, open Krisp and check the output device. Yeah, make sure your actual speakers or headphones are selected correctly. Now go to your system sound settings and confirm the right output device is active. I mean, wrong system settings can completely block audio, okay? Check your volume levels. Make sure nothing is muted and your volume is turned up properly. After that, restart Krisp and your calling app. Yeah, this helps clear temporary glitches and refresh everything. If you're using other audio tools or enhancements, try disabling them. I mean, multiple audio apps can conflict with each other. Also, make sure Krisp has the necessary permissions in your system.